Alright, picture this. You're surrounded by friends, the room is buzzing with laughter, and everyone's having a great time. The energy is high and you're feeling relaxed, maybe even a little distracted by the fun. You're at a party laughing, someone tells a joke. Maybe you're mid-bite of your favorite snack, not really paying attention to how much you're chewing. And then, out of nowhere, you feel it. A sudden blockage. You try to inhale, but nothing happens. Panic sets in, as you realize you can't breathe. Yep, we're talking about choking. It's terrifying, it's fast, and understanding what's actually happening inside your body. That could save a life. Choking is one of those emergencies that can happen to anyone, anywhere, and it's over in seconds if you don't act. Let's break it down. When you swallow food, it's supposed to head down your esophagus, straight to your stomach. Your body is designed with a clever system to keep food and air going to the right places. But sometimes a piece of food, or, let's be real, a huge chunk of steak, takes a detour and heads down the wrong tube, your trachea, the airway. That's when things go sideways. The trachea is meant only for air, not food, and even a small object can block it completely. The moment that food blocks your trachea, your body knows something's wrong. Instantly, your brain freaks out and sends a panic message. Your heart rate spikes, adrenaline floods your system, and your instincts kick in. This triggers a reflex. You start coughing like crazy. Coughing is your body's way of trying to blast out the blockage. It's a powerful, automatic response, and for most people it works. But if the object is really stuck, coughing alone won't cut it. But when the chunk is really stuck, air can't move in or out. Suddenly you can't talk, you can't cough, and you can't breathe. You might try to make noise, but nothing comes out. The silence is a huge red flag. That's when you see someone clutch their throat, the universal sign of choking. It's a desperate call for help, and everyone should know what it means. Here's what's wild. You only have a few minutes before things get dangerous. The clock is ticking, and every second matters. Without quick action, the situation can turn deadly in less time than you think. Without oxygen, your brain cells start to die in about 4 minutes. That's not a lot of time. Permanent brain damage can happen in as little as 4 to 6 minutes, and after 10 minutes, survival is unlikely. That's why every second counts. The faster you recognize the signs and act, the better the chances of survival. So, what does your body do? First, your face turns red, your blood's screaming for oxygen. Your body is desperately trying to get air, and the lack of oxygen is written all over your face. After that, you might turn blue. This is called cyanosis, and it means your blood isn't getting enough oxygen. It's a scary sight, and it's a sign things are getting critical. Then you can pass out, and if no one jumps in with the Heimlich maneuver, it's game over. Once you lose consciousness, your chances of survival drop dramatically. Now the Heimlich maneuver, honestly, it's a lifesaver. It's a simple technique, but it's incredibly effective when done right. When someone does it, they're forcing air trapped in your lungs to shoot upwards, like a mini explosion, blasting out whatever's blocking the airway. It's a dramatic move, but it can turn a life-or-death situation around in seconds. It's simple, but it works. That burst of air is often enough to dislodge the object and let you breathe again. Relief floods in, and you realize just how close you came to disaster. Let's recap. Choking happens when something gets stuck in your airway. Your body launches into panic mode, and if you don't clear the blockage fast, it gets dangerous, fast. Recognizing the signs and knowing what to do can make all the difference. So next time you're at a party, take smaller bites, chew your food, and hey, know the signs. Don't rush, and don't talk or laugh with your mouth full. It's a simple habit that can keep you and your friends safe. If you see someone choking, don't freeze, act fast, call for help, encourage them to cough, and if they can't, step in with the Heimlich maneuver. Your quick response could save a life. Your quick thinking could literally be the difference between life and death. It's not just about knowing what to do, it's about having the courage to do it when it matters most. Stay safe, friends, and remember, sometimes science is the difference between a scary story and a happy ending. The more you know, the more prepared you are to help yourself and others, so keep learning, stay alert, and don't be afraid to step up when someone needs you.